Are you frequently stuck in the endless cycle of switching between previewing raw footage, making quick edits, and reviewing the entire sequence on a single screen? This constant back and forth not only disrupts your creative flow, but also brings your editing progress to a standstill? But what if there were a solution to turbocharge your workflow? Introducing Filmora 15's Source and Timeline Preview Editing, a groundbreaking feature that redefines efficiency. Want to learn more about it? Keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. What Source and Timeline Preview is? So Filmora 15 now has dual preview screens, one on the left for the timeline preview and one on the right for the source preview. This means you can watch your raw clip and your edited timeline at the same time without constantly switching views. Huge workflow improvement, importing and using the source preview. First, let's import a clip of your choice to the media bin. When you click any media in your project panel, it opens automatically in the source preview window. From here, you can play the clip back, scrub through it, and set your in and out points before adding it to the timeline. This helps you select only the exact portion you need instead of dragging full clips to the timeline, and then simply drag the footage from the preview window or media bin and place it onto the timeline. Using the timeline preview. Now, once you place the footage onto the timeline preview shows your actual project, which you have edited. It will show you your final output, transitions, effects, text, color grading, everything. Support dual monitor. This feature supports dual monitors. If you have a dual monitor, you can separate the source and timeline preview screens. Simply select the preview screen and drag it out, and now you have two preview screens, one for source and one for timeline. Why this feature matters. This new dual preview system is a massive improvement to Filmora's workflow. You get faster edits, cleaner timelines, and a more professional way of reviewing footage without the constant switching that slows things down. And that's your quick guide to using source and timeline preview editing in Filmora 15. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.